Now, machine-based players in the game, the algorithm, are actually way more predictable than humans because the algorithm is essentially just math at scale. If you know what the algorithm wants and it's mathematically designed to get it, if you just give that more of it over and over, it will push you and give you what you want. But human player incentives, everybody else, are a little bit harder to figure out because humans don't always act rationally. But don't worry, no human can outrun their base psychology, so we can solve this as well. Okay, so as a recap so far, in order to win the social media game, all we have to do is analyze the psychology and incentives of all the other players, and then reverse engineer what content we can make to give them more of those incentives. If viewing our content helps them get more of what they want most, they're gonna push it for us. And this is the playbook that I'm about to explain. Stay with me, I promise you this will make a ton of sense in like 3 minutes. All right, we're moving to part 2 in the playbook, which is incentives. In order to figure out how to give each player what they want, we need to understand what it is they want. So let's break down the incentives for what each different player wants most. We can map those and then come up with a strategy. And this process of mapping incentives really in any area in business is actually super helpful, so pay attention to this. Okay, let's start with the incentives of social platforms and the algorithm.